MMT update, Dow Jones. Why am I giving you the update? Because once again, as I said, when you are in bull runs in the indexes, the bull runs get top end heavy. Yesterday or last week, you can see where you had a couple small little distributions, but you continue to make the higher highs. The thing about it is, in the shorter term MMT, what we're saying is that the market's setting itself up for a pullback only because it's going to have to work some of the overbought process. So your trading ranges on an intraday level at the price exhaustion channel levels, that means that your ranges from the low to the high and you sell short and come back down, are going to be price exhaustion channels. And the broader indexes, as you can see, we are extremely short-term overbought up here. We have done extremely well, but we're overbought. Be caution on the Dow. Now, when we get into the S&P 500, once again, the S&P 500, you can take a look. It's 95.79% now. Granted that the S&P 500 has a great bull rally, however, MMT, it is my due diligence to let you know that your price channel exhaustions within the index of 500 stocks, the broader market is overbought. And it clearly shows that when you get to these kind of levels, and they're exhaustion price channels, meaning that the broader part of the broader sectors across the S&P 100, 500, you name it, they've been burning. And they've burned up here to the highs where markets look for. Once again, you've had intraday pullbacks and bounces within the bull, 2012 bull setup. And it's a setup because we will pull back, and that 1300 handle is going to be the major area of support on that S&P, slightly above that rising bullish. We call that the golden crossover, the 10-week above the 15. You got the 20-week rising. That's what it's set up to let you know that the upper end of the price channel will be exhausted, and when they stay, and they can stay elevated for quite a while. This one's peaking out at 95.79% DS. Nasdaq comp in itself, it too, look at that, super gap. Now, having said that, letting you see where we are 94.94% on that weekly. Now, granted, it's a bull setup. It's the very beginning of the bull setup. And you have to know that bull prices have bull pullbacks, kind of like Apple did the other day. Okay? And bull prices pull back. In the price channel exhaustion area. I'm going to conclude this video on those key indexes for now. We have Baidu earnings. We're dropping the bids to 138.57. However, we are overbought on all key indexes. The upper price ranges are going to be harder to get through in the broader market because of that level of resistance.